Yeah. I can't show my screen because I can't show my screen because I'm recording. Oh, you. Yeah, and I'll unlock it. Okay, I already opened it. You'll do the power, okay? You'll do the power. I'll wait. I'll wait in the fence. I'm already here waiting for you. I. Anyways, I'm recording. Oh, sorry. My name is Ugly. Thank you. Can I try this time? I can. You know what? I'm coming down. What? This again? Can anybody explain this? Yeah? At least you can go to that fence already. Blind. It's just not working, bro. Finally, let me do it. Okay, let me do it. Because that blue wire will be stuck in my hand forever. Thank you. I wanted to thank you for freeing me. I was stuck in there for so long. Thank you. I'd like to pay you back. There's a train station nearby. It's Nidaco and I have it. We're going out of here. Bro, why do you sound like Poppy? Why yes. Ah! Okay, bye bye. Bro thought he was going to be lucky. We use the power of friendship. That door is always locked, bro. Why do you still need to check that? And listen, I'm going to need it. Rams. Wait, I just saw Mommy Longlegs for a second. I just saw Mommy Longlegs for a second. Okay, okay. I literally saw Mommy Longlegs for a second. Guys, if you saw that also proof Sophia that she was like T-posing, bro. She was like T-posing for like half a second. Oh yeah. She was like T-posing. She was like, why would bro need to turn like that? Ew, that's creepy. That's so disgusting, mama. Baby long legs was never to be found in Dada long legs. That maybe I don't know what was happening. Maybe in chapter 6 they will finally show. Baby long legs. In chapter 5, really have blackbirds have a flash of baby long legs. Ah, oh, she does. Why would Bro's hair will still grow when she just died? What to? Okay, let's go to Bruce's memory. Nah, bro. You're the best. Oh my gosh. Everybody does it though. Why are you so ahead of me? Woo! Ah, I cannot see anything. It's very dark here. Help me. No! Huh? Me too. So just enjoy it, bro. Yeah. We want. Well, we already played chapter 2 for the past 10 times now. Because it's my favorite chapter. It's my favorite chapter. I'm gonna get the pante. I'm going to get. I'm going to get the pen. Why is the pen so fast, dude? Oh, goes the green hand. Get splashed by paint, bro. Your POC life. Hello. How did you got in there? There's a fault the whole time. Okay. Okay. We just press that, guys. Thank you. Come again. Hey, where's my green hand? Yeah. Ah! No. I got instant karma. What if I actually press the emergency button even though it's not there? Press, press, press. Nothing does. Huh? Let's only look up there. What awagi will be impossible, bro? If Ateo was playing, it would be easy. Right? Wow, that was 10 seconds waste of my time because it just show up here white screen, bro. Orange. This is to cheer to eat. Oh no, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Blue, blue, red, yellow. I know that. Blue, red, yellow. Red, yellow. Blue, red, yellow, yellow. Blue, red, yellow, blue. Blue, red, yellow, blue, blue. Green, red. Green, red, blue. Green, red, yellow. Green, red, green, red, yellow, green, red, yellow, red. Blue, violet. Blue, violet. Can you at least get out of the way? Blue, violet, um, blue, blue, violet, yellow, white. Yeah, that's J. J. J orange. J orange. J orange heart. J orange heart. J orange heart. Question mark. J orange heart. Question mark. J orange heart. Question mark. I don't know. I already did, bro. What's happening? Remember when the emergency just pop out a half a second and you already pressed it so fast? That's nice, bro. La 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 la. Chicken. Chicken. Please laugh at chicken. Hey, bombardino crocodilo o bombardino crocodilo. Mommy was so that. It's okay though. You're gay. Mommy knows other ways to play with you. Ah, Mama long leg. Let me do the electric thing. How do you actually move that? How did you actually move it? How do you move that thing? It's not gonna. Let me try. I'm actually pressing it. Yes, I did it. I did it. First try, dude. I'm the best. Dude, I'm the best. Dude, I'm the best. Dude, I'm the best. Dude, I'm the best. Can I electric it? Kami lang eh. Back, back. Mami long legs. Mami long legs. Mami lololog. Okay, go here. Okay, guys. Sorry, I've been talking to Sophia instead of you. He will hug you until you pop. Jump. Bye. What a waggy bean life. What a waggy bean life. Remote vacuum. Wait, let's escape. Let's escape. let's escape without killing Mommy Longlegs. Let's escape without killing Mama Longlegs. I already know the code. They already seen that 10 times in a row, bro. Wow, you did fantastic. Who gave this permission to be this smart? Mommy is super proud of you, but I'm sure she's already told that itself. Our next game is Waka Wagi. Head downstairs and have fun. We are not going to have fun. We are going to get bad luck, bro. But this time, let's Hey, why am I in the air? Look at me, bro. Look at me, bro. I'm literally in the air. Oh, there it goes. Why am I in the air? Okay, we're not going to be cooked now. We're going to be cooked in this part. I'll do middle and right, okay? And you only do the left. I bet. Not serious mode on. So, super aura. Every time we waka wagi, we gain aura. Maybe the lights to turn on that when the toys in this game used to have strings attached, so they can pull where so they can be pulled when too close to them. Have fun, Baba. Me too. The green log is really good. Oh, I see one. Gain one aura to me. Let's walk in. Stop yapping. We're going to land here. Okay. Oh. Is that your dog roaring? Oh my god, there's so many of them. This is coming extremely hard. Oh my god. Help me, please. Fine, Sophia. I'll do left and middle.
Okay.
And you only do the right. Daily clicks be like.
I just want to know right now.
Why would I know, bro? Don't ask me. Oh, oh. That's the piece of that to get it. I say that so. I love to Oh, oh. Help me.
You study? Oh, finally.
Oh, take a try. High
Because
10.
I saw many numbers
High 10.
step backwards. Then
High 10. High 10. Let's go. First time. First time we did.
let's play study.
First time
It's
we
gonna be
finally.
hard.
First time we beaten it in 2 tries, bro. High 10.
FR. Bye.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Thank you.
We're going to go here, right?
I thought we were gonna go to the
Electric. Oh my god. I rather skipping this all. Let's redo the electric. And Miss Kissy me.
water.
Ha 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 ha. Hello, it's Kissy Missy. POV in the hour of joy.